The most important resource that is going to help you to find an apartment at Purdue is this page on Facebook called iGrasp. It stands for Indian Graduate Students at Purdue. And you're basically looking for Indian roommates, right? Because there are very few people who are actually willing to share their apartment with people who are not from India for obvious reasons. And another important thing that you guys might be concerned about is dietary preferences. So what I did was I went on this page, iGrasp, and then I posted a very friendly post. And we were looking for two other people because we had shortlisted some apartments, and all of them were 4 BHK. So I just posted on that page that we are looking for two people. We are vegetarians, and we are another thing that you might want to mention is that we are looking for people who are non-smokers, who are non-alcoholics. So I mean, it doesn't make much of a difference, but yeah, one thing that you must include in your post is your dietary preference. So we were vegetarians, so we were looking for vegetarians. People might be non-vegetarians. Most of them are flexible. And fortunately, I got some really good roommates there. Three of us are in the same program, so we guys kind of help each other with homeworks and stuff. And advice on lease agreement. So there are two kinds of leases. One is called a joint lease, and the other one is called an individual lease. Joint leases are basically when a group of people share the lease, and an individual lease is like you sign a contract with a landlord for just one room in an apartment. So you are not liable for the rent the other person is paying, and it is kind of each of this has its own advantages and disadvantages. You guys don't need to get into the intricacies of this, and it doesn't really matter much in the longer run. But yeah, one thing to keep in mind is again that joint leases are a little cheaper than individual leases. And dealing with roommates, as I said, fortunately, I got some really good roommates at Purdue, and I did not, as such, encounter any problems with them. All of them were understanding, and that is why I again emphasize that it is very important to find good people to stay with rather than good apartments. Now, coming to the expenses, I would say that you must be prepared to spend somewhere around $350 per month on your apartment. Anything more than 350 to 375 would be considered expensive in West Lafayette. Whereas the apartment where I stay, it is considered one of the cheaper places to stay. And the reason it is considered cheaper is not because of the quality, it is because of the distance to the campus. Now, we were willing to compromise on the distance to the campus because all the four of us are fond of walking, and it takes us about 20 minutes daily to reach campus from our apartment, which we think was pretty decent. And the closer you get to the campus, the more the price of the apartment is going to be. So yeah, that is one thing you need to keep in mind when you're looking at the apartment. And another thing is utilities, of course. My apartment includes a washer and dryer. It also includes utilities like water, sewage, garbage disposal. Now, there are some apartments that charge you separate for all these utilities. You don't want to get into such an apartment because you can't control the amount of water that you use, and it kind of increases the rent ultimately. So try to settle for a place that is at a decent distance from the campus. And as I said, don't spend more than $350 to $375 in West Lafayette. The first time I moved to, it was the first time, yeah. So when I moved to Indiana, the people here, first of all, are super nice. You don't get to see such people in Mumbai, where I come from. And there is total discipline. You see the discipline when they drive. They have such amazing lane discipline. And so I think overall the experience has been very nice. And homesickness is one thing that everyone, each one of us is going to have, is going to experience at some point or the other. But it is not, very depressing.